How to copy a Jenkins job from one folder to another. Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.426.1. I've also set up two folders on this controller, and inside of folder 1, I have a Q1 job. Now what I want to do is I want to copy the Q1 job from folder 1 over to folder 2. We're going to look at two different ways that you can do that. Now, before we try to copy this job, let's go ahead and take a look at Q1 and click on Configure. And what we're going to see here is a simple pipeline job that has one step, and we're echoing out Hello World from Q1. Just remember, from Q1. Let's go ahead and go back up and over to folder 2. So from the UI, we want to go ahead and go into the folder where we want to copy the job to. So we're in the folder. We're going to click on New Item. I'm going to give it a name of Q2. Now, instead of selecting pipeline for the job type, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to enter in a value in the copy from. Now, what do I need to do? In this case, I need to put the fully qualified path to the job that I want to copy. In this case, it's going to be folder 1/Q1. Let's go ahead and click on OK. Now, what you'll notice up in the breadcrumb is we now have a folder 2 Q2. And if we go ahead and scroll down into the job definition, what we're going to see is we still have Hello World from Q1. So that means we copied over from our Q1 job into the Q2 job. Let's go ahead and change Q1 to Q2 and click on Save. So now we can see within this job, in fact, we'll click into the folder, we can see Q2 within folder 2. And if we click into Q2, we can also see from the full project name, folder 2/Q2. Now, the other way that we can copy a job is by using the Jenkins CLI. Now, if you've never used the Jenkins CLI before, I've done a whole different video about that. The link to that video is down in the description. But let's go and look up what command that we need to use for the Jenkins CLI. We can do that easily through the UI. So let's go ahead and go to Dashboard, Manage Jenkins. Let's scroll down to Jenkins CLI, and we have a job option that's called Copy Job. So we'll click into that. We can see the command here for that we're going to give it copy job, source, and then the destination. So in our case, we're going to be copying from folder 1 Q1 to a new location in folder 2. Let's go over to our console. And what we'll see here is we have my command where we're doing a copy job from folder 1 Q1 into folder 2/Q222. Let's go ahead and hit enter. And what we'll see now when we go back over to folder 2 is not only do we see our Q2 job, but we see our Q222 job. If we go into 222, what we're going to see from configure is that it still says Q1 because we copied from folder 1 Q1. So now at this point, what we could do is change the Q1 into Q222 and click on save. And now we have a new job definition for Q222. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.